What's up, guys? It's your man Bumblemus Prime, and today I'm gonna be reacting on Sonic Boom Season 2, Episode 17, Blackout. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, roll out!
You know, we have a lot of fun on our show, but I'd like to get serious for a moment while we honor a real hero.
Sonic. Seriously, the sandwich.
Bless that sandwich.
The power's out. Lucky we have our luminous suits.
Well, except for Sticks, of course.
I don't need a fancy luminous suit. I can see just fine. Oh, irony, I didn't see you coming. If only I had a luminous suit. Oh, what a twisted web the fates have woven.
I know who's behind this blackout. Let me guess. Martians? Pot people? Inspector 34? Don't be ridiculous. Pot people have better things to do than monkey with the lights. I'm talking Eggman here.
Martians.
Sticks, which actually isn't the most comforting feeling in the world. To Eggman's lair!
Da-da.
Hey, I have a doorbell for a reason, you know. The power's out. In that case, just smash away.
Why'd you turn off the juice?
Hello? I make my living with robots. I can't seize power unless I have power to power them.
We, however, are still on full charge, thanks to our incredibly long battery life.
That's only because your brains use so little power. Whoa, up top. Oh, sure, you leave a dude hanging, but you call me the villain.
Eggman makes
You are.
a good point.
Fine.
No, I meant it's not his MO to shut off the AC.
So little brain power! I just got it! Haha!
At this rate, those batteries should last another decade.
You want to tell us what's going on?
Nothing's going on. It's just an expected blackout. On the plus side, that
Oh, he
crisis
said the
alarm
episode
that's been
name.
sounding for days has finally stopped.
This bureaucrat is lying. He's spinning yarn, talking tripe, telling porkies.
Sticks is right.
Porky.
Geez, this is the second time I'm
But
agreeing with her. Should I
that's
see a
my name.
doctor? Fine. It's not a routine
Yes, you
blackout.
see a doctor.
Our village is powered by an ancient crystal, or at least it was. I'll show you. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have put the town power supply crystal behind a secret door that can only be opened with electricity. The Maroki crystal. It has been passed down from Maya generation to Maya generation, but now its electrical capabilities appear to be drained.
So how do we power it up again?
With electric
Snap
with
and find
electric
a new
powers from the
crystal.
storm?
I want to go down in history as the Maya who presided over the crystal when it broke.
We're on it. Say no more.
I had nothing more to say.
It's a metaphor.
Dear Zoe, day 1. It's amazing how much snow there is just 2 minutes outside of town. Day 3.
Aw,
The
his
cold is
little
unbearable.
girlfriend's
For
there.
the first time in my life, I actually considered wearing pants. Desperate times indeed. Day 12.
You don't wear
I'm losing
pants.
track of time. It might actually
Only
be
sticks
day
in
2.
beanie. Spin dash.
They call me Knuckles for a reason.
Yeah.
It's my name. Maybe it would be
Oh,
easier
'cause
if
you're-
we used
no,
Blue
it's
Force
because
1
you
in
have Knuckles.
snowmobile mode.
Blue Force 1 has a snowmobile mode, and you only mention it now!
Snowmobile mode activated. Snowmobile mode activated. Sorry, I said that wrong in the wrong moment.
I need a ride.
Ooh, it's in an ancient dialect. Allow me. I took a night class once. Strength and logic will lead you astray. If you want to enter, try the lazy way.
We don't have time for this. I'll smash our way in.
That thing's made of stone.
Thanks, Sonic. My letter to Zoe got ruined. Now I have to start over. Dear Zoe, day 1. It must be a combination code, but there are so many possibilities. It would take me centuries to figure out how long it would take me to figure out the right combination.
Oh, centuries, huh?
Now I get it. Only Knuckles did what the riddle actually suggested. Try the lazy way.
Oh, now I get it. Hero is another word for sandwich.
No. It means you are lazy, Knuckles.
Noble travelers, if you want to reach the Maroki crystal, you must answer 3 riddles and
Is that a
overcome
rock
3
titan?
obstacles.
Including the one outside?
Not including the one outside.
Why should we listen to this jabroni? Out of the way, Rocky.
You finished?
Maybe I stepped over the line with that jabroni remark, but we all said things we didn't mean. Noble Stone Guardian, we accept your challenge.
Cool. See you.
Cool.
Noble travelers, to continue on your journey and move this slab, tell me, how many sides does a circle have?
First, you tell me why you think slab rhymes with have.
Uh-oh. Poison
When he
gas.
said obstacles, I was kind of hoping for bounce pads, not poisonous gas.
A circle is round. It has no sides.
It's getting worse.
Well, that clearly didn't work. Anyone else got an idea?
A circle has 2 sides, inside and outside.
That is correct.
Oh, thank goodness. You did it, Knuckles.
Did I solve it?
No.
Noble travelers, I passed before the sun both high and low, and yet I cast no shadow.
Hey, that rhymes.
But the meter's terrible.
Okay, Sticks, maybe you should, like, shut up for a minute and not trying to get us killed with your yapple mouth.
I don't know. A cloud? Oh, those have shadows.
Oh, what about a bird? You know, like a clear one. What?
Okay, I think all of you should stop talking instead of Knuckles.
Pretty soon we'll be dust in the wind.
Wind. That is the correct answer.
Thank you, Knuckles. I think he's starting to feel like my favorite character now.
All right, Knuckles. 2 for 2.
Are we saying random numbers now? 1, 1, 1. I don't know many numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Noble travelers, try as you might, no sound it makes. When you speak its name, it's so fragile it breaks.
Good rhyme, good meter. I see why you're the final guard.
Uh-oh. More guards.
Ain't you guys ever heard of personal space? All right, Knuckles. Make with a simple-minded yet somehow profound answer so we can get out of here.
Let me use my think muscle.
Oh yeah, immovable. Right.
Come on, come on, come on!
Silence! I can't hear my brain thoughts.
Silence is the correct answer.
Silence! I kill you. Uckman. There it is.
There she is. Just gotta switch it out with something that weighs the same.
Oh, an Indiana Jones reference. Yes! Yep, definitely like an Indiana Jones.
It's gonna collapse. We better get out of here.
See you later. I mean, it could be worse. Could be like a giant boulder chasing them. Cowabunga! Oh no! Let's catch sticks. Knuckles, you're the man! I see, I knew you guard rare stones.
Stay back, or I'll flip this thing and it'll explode!
Hey, wake up!
There you are. I was beginning to think you disappeared forever. Like the last group I sent.
Nope, we made it. And here is your pierogi crystal.
Hey, my lights are on. No, just kidding, I just turn them on. Switch.
Ah, hey, TV's back.
Civilization
Knuckles,
is
you were great
returned.
up there. You're actually a lot smarter than we give you credit for. Me am? Forget I said anything.
Yeah. Looks like Knuckles really did save the day with his mindless. So that's my reaction on the Blackout. Sounds like the Decepticon Blackout from Transformers. Well, as always, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and smash it to a million pieces. I'll see you guys later in the next reaction. Autobots transform and roll out.